Your kitchen is a pharmacy, and I can prove it, molecule by molecule. Here is a number that stopped me cold, 0.98 out of 1. That is the similarity score between pravastatin, a blockbuster cholesterol drug that earned billions, and ganoderic acid, a compound in reishi mushrooms that costs less per gram than a cheap cup of coffee. In three-dimensional molecular space, these two substances present almost exactly the same biological face to the enzymes that control your cholesterol. This is not folklore. This is pharmaceutical-grade computational chemistry pointed back at nature. I call it drug to table. Here is the irony the industry does not advertise. The first statins were not invented. They were discovered in fungi. Aspirin came from willow bark, penicillin from mold. Nature has been running the ultimate drug discovery program for 400 million years. Then pharma stopped looking because they had patented enough to be profitable. So how do we find what they left behind? With pharmacophores. Think of every drug as a key and every target in your body as a lock. Two completely different looking keys can open the same lock if their functional teeth line up in 3 dimensions. My PharmPrint methods capture that 3-dimensional key code. So I took pravastatin's full molecular fingerprint and screened it against 28,000 food chemicals. Ganoderic acid from reishi mushrooms emerged as a near-perfect functional match. Here you can see the alignment. Pravastatin in blue, ganoderic acid in orange, the same shape, the same chemistry. 2 different keys opening the very same lock. And here is the beautiful part. Reishi has been called the mushroom of immortality in Chinese medicine for over 2,000 years, recommended for the heart. Modern studies show it can lower cholesterol through exactly the enzyme our analysis predicted. The healers did not have modeling software. They had 2,000 years of careful observation. And reishi is just the beginning. Turmeric mirrors anti-inflammatory drugs, garlic, blood pressure medication, ginger, anti-nausea drugs, cinnamon, insulin sensitizers. If this much is hiding in your spice cabinet, imagine what waits among 400,000 natural products. That is why we built Food Health. Point your phone at any meal and get an instant read on calories, protein, carbs, and fiber in seconds. It syncs with Apple Health, so you can finally see how the food you eat connects to how you sleep, move, and feel. And with Food Health TXD, every meal lines up against your glucose in real time. For the first time, the computational intelligence used to discover billion-dollar drugs is available to everyone, applied to compounds that belong to everyone. We are not discovering that food contains drug-like molecules. We are remembering that drugs came from food in the first place. One important note: computational similarity is not clinical proof. This is research and education, not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before changing anything. I'm Dr. Steven Muskal. This is Drug to Table. Subscribe.